Hi everyone, welcome back to Timeless Tales. Today, we venture into the charming realm of Uruguay, a hidden gem nestled between Argentina and Brazil with its stunning coastline, vibrant culture, and rich history. Uruguay is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. Join me on this captivating journey as we unravel the essence of this enchanting nation. Uruguay's natural beauty is a symphony of coastlines, rivers, and rolling hills. The picturesque Cabo Polonio, with its iconic lighthouse, stands sentinel over the Atlantic. Punta del Este, a hub of glamour and sophistication, boasts pristine beaches and scenic views, and the Rio de la Plata, shared with Argentina, crafts a majestic border. Uruguayan culture is woven from European and indigenous influences. The gaucho tradition, symbolizing freedom and resilience, remains vibrant. Tango, born in the Rio de la Plata region, pulsates through Montevideo's streets. And Uruguayan cuisine, with its asados and chivitos, is a savory reflection of its heritage. Montevideo, Uruguay's capital, blends colonial charm with modern flair. The old city's cobblestone streets whisper stories of the past. Plaza Independencia, a hub of activity, honors Uruguay's struggle for independence. And the coastal promenade, Rambla, offers breathtaking views of the Rio de la Plata. Colonia del Sacramento, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, embodies Uruguay's colonial legacy. Its historic quarter, with colorful buildings and winding streets, transports visitors to the 18th century, and the scenic views of the Rio de la Plata create an unforgettable experience. As we conclude our journey through Uruguay, we hope you've fallen under its spell. With its captivating natural beauty, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality, Uruguay is a true gem of South America. Join us next time on Timeless Tales WZ as we uncover more secrets from around the world. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Exploring Histories for more captivating stories and stunning visuals. Share your favorite moments in the comments below and join the conversation on our social media channels.